dayon sigugay. Estudyante hangtod sa maabot sa pinaka first na liners. Sa first liners, kung hindi siya makaabot first, ilang i-shout ang verb. For example, flying. Musinggit sila flying. And if ever masakit na nila ang flying, ilagay ng e-form into sentence. Are you ready, class? Alright, ready kita na ang mga students. So, here are the response cards. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Flying group 1. Nakauna sila sugutin. So, ilahang word action is flying. Can you form that into sentence? I-form nyo na siya sentence mark. Okay, very good. Ngayon siya, the verb is flying. Very good. So, we're another round, okay? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, group 2. Very good. Also, action word ang you have. Jumping. Very good. Can you form that into sentence niya? Okay, ingon ako dito na niya. Ingon sila na si Ana is jumping. Also, action word ato mark. Very good. Jumping. Naka-learn ba sa verb? Okay, let's do another round. Asan? Are you ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, group 3. O sa inyo ha. Okay. Yes, running. Can you form a sentence? Okay. Ingon si Mia, Mark is running. Very good. Naningaraw mo sa atong activity karon. Na-apply ba ninyo ang inyong learning? Na-learn ba ninyo nga a verb is an action? Very good. Give yourself a round of applause. So, nakabalo naman ang akong mga minamahal na estudyante. So, ready na kakamo nga i-test na po ang inyong naibawan. So, if ready na, get your yellow notebook for our quiz time. Alright, ready na? Raise your pencil, Toby, if you are ready. So, very good. Uy, walang pencil si Mark. Ako naman pencil si Mark. Alright, di ba huwag na? And, ready na ang tanan? It's quiz time. So, the direction of our quiz is underline the verb in each sentence. The part A and part B is underline the verb in each sentence and identify whether it is an action verb, linking verb, or the auxiliary verb. So, nakapalunod ka mo sa ang verb, the three types of verb. So, nakapalura kay naminawan. Excuse me. And I will giving you 10 minutes to answer. So, I think manana ang tanan. So, please pass your yellow notebook in front. So, I think mga perfect niyo ako ang mga beloved student. Kaya, master na kayo ni Pansy parang gano'ng verb. Nakabalo na ako sa ang verb. So, please pass. Thank you so much. And now, before we end our class, I'll be giving you an assignment. And your assignment is create a my daily action. Write at least 2 sentences about what you do at home or school. Underline the verb in each sentence. Nakasabot na ba? So, teacher, asa man isuwat ang assignment? Of course, sa inyong white notebook, your assignment notebook. So, inyong ipasa na sa ang deadline. Si teacher, ngayon ka na sa ang deadline. Alright, tomorrow is the deadline. So, nakasabot na ba sa ato
Alright. Bye-bye and see you again tomorrow.